Hey, beautiful people. I'm Shama Subrani. Liana Taylor and I have decided that we should put a calculator video online so everyone can access it because not everyone can come to SI sessions. So we're trying to make your life easier because, that's what SI leaders try to do, right? So today we're going to calculate your way to success in statistics. All right. So first things first, we need a calculator. This is my precious calculator, and this is going to be your best friend in this class. Okay, first thing we want to do is get your diagnostics on. The way you do that is you go to second, which is up top, press 0, which is catalog, and you get all these precious applications. You want to scroll down until the D section, so let's try that. So all the way down, all the way down. So, okay, so you want to get diagnostics on, right? Then you press enter. So press enter, and you get that, then press enter one more time. Enter, and when it says done, you are good to go. Very good to go. Okay, so you need this confirmation screen. It's going to be effective whenever you have linear regression. And every time you restart your calculator, reset your calculator, make sure you always do this step. Okay, and let me repeat it. You go to second, then you go to 0, which is catalog, then go all the way down to diagnostics on, enter, enter. Great. Okay, so let's now move on to z-scores. We covered z-scores in chapter 6, but let's figure out how to do it on the calculator, right? So pretend we want the area underneath the curve. We know that the area is always going to be read to the left of whatever the z-score is, right? So in order to find this area from negative infinity, like right over here, to all the way to 2.14, what we're going to do is go to second, bars, normal CDF, which is number 2, and you're going to put negative 10 to the 99th power, okay, comma 2.14. So let me repeat that one more time. So here's your nifty calculator, and what you want to do is go to second, which is up top, bars, which is right here, the second 2 by the clear sign, bars. Then you get this screen, right? You want to go to normal CDF, which is number 2. So you can scroll down or press number 2. Sorry, guys. Press enter. Oh my god. Okay. Enter. And then when you open this, since we want to know the area from all the way this point to that point, right? We're going to put this point first, but we don't know where it exactly ends, right? So in high-level mathematics, it's called negative infinity. So in order to get negative infinity on your calculator, what we're going to put is the negative sign, negative, 10, 1, 0, and then put the little caret sign, raised to the 99th power, like that, comma, which is above the 7, comma, and then put your number. So the z-score that I'm picking right now is 2.14. So 2.14. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. Normal CDF, negative 10 to the 99th power, comma, 2.14. Okay, so if you press enter, you get this number, 0.9838, blah, 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 right? So the area underneath the curve is approximately 98%, 98.38%. Okay? Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so now we want to know the area between two z-scores. We have a z-score of negative 1.37 here, and then positive 2.114, or 2.14, right? So first, you're going to do the same thing like we did last time. We're going to go second, bars, normal CDF, which is number 2, and then you're going to put negative 1.37, which is your lowest z-score, and then comma 2.14, which is your highest z-score, and press enter. So let me repeat that one more time. We're going to go to Okay, let's clear that. Second, vars. Oh god. Okay, second, vars. Right? Normal CDF, which is 2. And then what you're going to put is negative 1.37, comma, which is above the 7, 2.14, and a parentheses. So you get something like that, right? Press enter. Woo! Okay, so the area between those two z-scores is 89%, like 89.85%. Does that make sense, guys? Okay. Okay, pretend we want to find the area that is greater than 2.14, right? We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go second, vars, normal CDF, which is number 2. Now you're going to put 2.14 as the first entry thing. Then you're going to do comma. Then we don't know where this ends, right? So let's put positive infinity, which is going to be 10 to raise to the 99th power. So here's your nifty calculator. Let's clear that again. Second, vars. Number 2, normal CDF. Put in your z-score, which is 2.14. And then we're going to positive infinity, which is 10 to the 99th power. So it should look like that. Woo! Okay, just press enter. And so then you get this, and this is the area that is to the right of 2.14. So that's the little area right there. Okay, so it's about like 1.62%. Okay. Alright, so pretend you're given the percentage instead. We're given 73.1%, which is the area under the curve. And so as a decimal form, it will be 0.731. What you want to do is go to second, vars, and press number 3, inverse norm. And you put it as a decimal, 0.7310. And this should give you the corresponding z-score. Okay, so let's do that one more time. We're going to go to second, vars, number 3, inverse norm. And you're going to just put the percentage in there, 0.7310. Okay, so the z-score that corresponds with it is 0.6158.